What is ASTM? ASTM International, formerly known as the American Society for Testing and Materials, is the globally recognized organization that establishes voluntary technical standards for the testing and evaluation of a wide range of materials. Adhering to a certain level of ASTM standards contributes to consistency in our material performance, allowing us to create and build confidence in our garments. What is peeling? Peels are formed during washing and wear by the entanglement of loose fibers which protrude from the fabric surface. The abrasive action causes these loose fibers to develop into small spherical bundles anchored to the fabric by a few unbroken fibers. What is peel testing? Peel testing simulates the wash and wearing environment that causes peeling and fuzzing on fabric, producing a random rubbing action by tumbling specimens in a cylindrical test chamber lined with a mildly abrasive material. Results are evaluated by visual standards that may be actual fabrics or photographs of fabrics showing a range of peeling resistance, graded using the ASTM grading scale. To create the environment used for testing, we have here shown the random tumble peeling test machine. This one has two chambers. Lights on the inside of each chamber allow clear viewing of the test in progress. Compressed air is also injected into the test chamber to assist with the tumbling action. Cork liners are used inside each chamber. The cork liner provides a mildly abrasive surface to encourage the formation of peels. For testing, we require four 4-inch squares of the test fabric, cut at a 45-degree angle to the bias and marked. 3 are for the test, and 1 is retained as the control. Before testing, the fabric must be prepped with fray check. Fray check is an adhesive solution applied to the edges of the test specimens to prevent fraying. It must be allowed to completely dry before testing. Also needed for testing is gray cotton sliver. A very small amount is used and added to each test chamber with the specimens. The use of sliver improves the visibility of peels. Here you'll see the cork cylinder liner's placement within the chamber. 3 pieces of the test material are placed into the chamber, one at a time, along with a small amount of gray cotton sliver. Here we have our lab technician loading the specimens into the testing chamber with the tiny amounts of sliver. Once loaded, the machine is powered on, the light is turned on, and the air injection is switched on, and the time is set. The start switch is then activated to begin the test. The 3 swatches tumble in the chambers, tossed around violently by the metal impellers and compressed air to simulate friction caused by wash and wear. Once the abrasion cycle has completed, the test specimens are removed and set to the side. The cork liner is removed, chamber and liner are vacuumed, liner is then marked and reinserted for next use. Excess sliver, lead, and frays are removed from the test specimens. The specimens are then attached to the peel test report form and rated for peeling or fuzzing according to the ASTM standards, with a 5 being the best and a 1 being the worst. Here we have a sample of our navy sweater yarn versus one of our competitors. At this view, these appear the same under normal lighting. Make note of the presence and frequency of the tiny fabric peels between the two. The A+ specimen holds up much better under strenuous testing than the competitor's specimen. Here we have 2 specimens of khaki stretch twill fabric for another example. Our mechanical stretch twill versus one of our competitors. This is before a 60-minute peel test. Again, they appear to be similar before testing. This is after a 60-minute peel test. The A+ specimen, once again, holds up much better under strenuous testing than the competitor specimen. The appearance of your A-plus quality apparel lasts much longer, giving you greater value for your purchase. Standardized routine quality testing allows us to be consistent in the excellent quality of garments that we provide, garments that our customers have grown to depend on, easy care, maximum durability, and comfort at a great price.